I wish to everyone. Today we are discuss about auto cycle. Auto cycle is another name as a constant volume cycle. So the cycle is explained and also derive the efficiency of the auto cycle. In this auto cycle invented or introduced by Dr. A. Nicholas Otto. He is a German scientist in the year of 1876. Nowadays, the people are used to operate fuel of petrol and gas. So, in this cycle, purely applicable of IC engines. So, before we are going to derive the efficiency, you understood of PV diagram and TS diagram. So PV diagram means pressure versus volume. The x-axis is called as a volume, y-axis is called as a pressure. Here, in this process, having 4 process, 1 and 2 is called a isentropic compression, 2 to 3 process, constant volume, heat is addition, Q is a heat, S is a supplied, so heat supplied during this cycle, 2 to 3 process. So 3 to 4 process, isentropic expansion, 4 to 1 process, constant volume, heat is rejected, is denoted as a QR. So is another name for constant volume cycle. Why we are called as a constant volume cycle? Here 4 to 1 process constant volume cycle, there is no changes in the volume side. 2 to 3 process also constant volume cycle, constant volume, there is no changes in the volume side. So here I mentioned the VC and VS. VS means stroke volume, VC means clearance volume. How we are understood VS and VC. In below the PV diagram, I have to draw the one diagram here. See, this is called a cylinder bore with attached the piston. The piston is moving from BDC to TDC. The piston is maximum move forward direction, that is called TDC. Here the name is called cylinder head. Up to here TDC level the piston is moved. In between gap, the surface of the piston and also cylinder head, in the between gap is called as a clearance volume. Sometimes technically clearance volume is mathematically or derivationally we called as a clearance volume. In this name is also called as a compression chamber. So the piston traveled from PDC to TDC, it is called as a stroke volume. So sometimes the question is coming from what is stroke volume, what is clearance volume. Clearance volume means the piston is maximum moved from BDC to TDC. The surface of the piston and also cylinder head, the between gap is called a clearance volume. The piston is moved or traveled from BDC to TDC. The between gap or traveled or stroke is called a stroke volume. Okay. Next, temperature versus enthalpy. Then another name is called as a enthalpy, entropy. Temperature is another name is a entropy. See, the PV diagram is reciprocal of TS diagram. So here 1 to 2 process enthalpy, there is no changes of enthalpy, but temperature changes. Here the process 1, that is called T1, T2, T3, T4. So in this process, that is called PV diagram, 2 to 3 process heat is addition, 4 to 1 process heat is rejection. In TS diagram, where 4 to 1 process, here 4 to 1 process, TS diagram is a slanting line. So 4 to 1 process, PV diagram is the straight line. That is called, there is no changes in the volume. Okay. So enthalpy, there is no changes in the enthalpy during this cycle 1 to 2 process and also 3 to 4 process. So 2 to 3 process, heat is addition, 4 to 1 process, heat is rejection. Understood? So 1 to 2 process, enthalpy, there is no change. 3 to 4 process, enthalpy, there is no change. So S1 equal to S2, S3 equal to S4. Okay. Now we are going to discuss in this cycle 2 adiabatic is called as a isentropic and 2 constant volume. We are easily to understand in the constant volume PV diagram. Here 4 to 1 process, volume is, there is no changes. So 2 to 3 process, volume is no changes. So in another name is called as a constant volume cycle. Okay. In this process 1 to 2 process, isentropic compression of air. In this time, temperature increase, volume decrease, entropy constant, S1 equal to S2. S1 equal to S2, in this diagram, TS diagram, here 1 to 2 process, there is no changes in enthalpy. So now I mentioned here S1 equal to S2. And 2 to 3 process, constant volume, heating of air. So here PV diagram, 2 to 3 process, heat supplied during this cycle. So there is no changes in the volume side. So here 2 to 3 process, constant volume, heat of air, pressure, temperature and entropy increases. Volume remains constant. So now I mentioned here V2 equal to V3. Then 3 to 4 process, isentropic expansion of air. So what is here? Pressure, temperature, decrease. Pressure, temperature, decrease. Volume, increase. So in this process, easily to understand PV diagram. See 3 to 4 process, the maximum temperature in this area, that is called the third point. So maximum temperature, the 3 to 4 process, here volume increase, temperature will be decreased. So 4 to 1 process, constant volume, heat rejection from air. Here in this cycle, PV diagram, 4 to 1 process, heat is rejected. What is happening here? So heat is rejected. Normally the initial temperature coming to the first point. The first point temperature is called ambient temperature or room temperature or surrounding temperature. Okay. Next we are going to derive the efficiency. Efficiency of the Otto cycle. So efficiency in this symbol is called as efficiency. So now we derive the efficiency of Otto cycle. So efficiency suffix Otto. So in this formula 1 minus 1 by R to the gamma minus 1. So in this formula purely based in volume ratio. And another one formula temperature based efficiency of the Otto work done by heat supplied. So work done equal to Qs minus Qr divided by Qs. So Q means heat, S means supplied. I mentioned here Qs equal to heat supplied, Qr equal to heat rejected. Okay. So now we are going to derive this Otto cycle based on temperature. So heat supplied at a constant volume. Already we discussed pressure volume diagram and entropy enthalpy diagram. So 2 to 3 process PV diagram heat is addition. So now I mentioned here Qs equal to M for mass. So constant volume Cv, maximum temperature T3, minimum temperature T2. So we correlate the formula Qs equal to mCv T3 minus T1 with the unit of kilojoule. Then heat rejected at a constant volume 4 to 1 process. In this process we are easily to understand a PV diagram. So Qr equal to mCv T4 minus T1. T4 is the maximum temperature, T1 is the minimum temperature. It is the initial temperature or ambient temperature. So Qr equal to mCv T4 minus T1 in the unit of kilojoule. So now work done equal to, work done is called as a W. So work done equal to Qs minus Qr. Now we write explanation Qs equal to mCv T3 minus T2. Heat rejected 4 to 1 process. So mCv T4 minus T1. So the unit of kilojoule I mentioned here. And also efficiency of the Otto cycle work done by heat supplied. So work done equal to Qs minus Qr. So Qs mCv T3 minus T2 minus, that is called heat supplied, this is called heat rejected, mCv T4 minus T1 divided by heat supplied mCv T3 minus T2. So in case sometimes you are going to derive this, you write the another one sentence mCv T3 minus T2 divided by mCv T3 minus T2 and also minus mCv T4 minus T1 divided by mCv T3 minus T2. So now I am going to cancel in this numerator mCv T3 minus T2, denominator T3 minus T2. So I am going to cancel this equation. So cancel this equation. Efficiency of the Otto cycle 1 minus mCv T4 minus T1 mCv T3 minus T2. So heat rejected, heat supplied. Okay. So mCv cancel. So purely the formula we get temperature ratio of Otto cycle 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. This is a formula of temperature ratio based on find the efficiency of Otto cycle. And another one, volume ratio, efficiency of the Otto cycle 1 minus 1 by R to the gamma minus 1 into 100. So next video I have to be solved for based of volume ratio. Thank you so much. So why I am derive this equation, so many commands into the so many commands to me, so I have to only solve this thermodynamic cycle. Thank you. Please watch this video and share to friends, and also subscribe and also click the bell button. Thank you so much.